Rotating the thimble once will move the spindle 0.5 mm. The sleeve has measuring increments up to 50. The distance between the spindle and anvil can be measured with precision. There is a high-precision screw within the device. When using the anvil and spindle to hold the part being measured, turn the ratchet and make sure excessive force is not applied. Adjust the 0 point before measuring. The measuring face of the anvil and spindle should be wiped clean. Release the lock, turn the ratchet, and tighten the spindle fully. If the 0 point is not adjusted, insert a spanner in the adjustment hole and adjust the 0 point. Place the item being measured between the anvil and spindle. Turn the ratchet to hold firmly. The value of the micrometer is displayed on the edge of the thimble. The upper half of the thimble displays increments of 1 mm, and the lower half of the thimble displays increments of 0.5 mm. Read the value on the sleeve that meets the reference line of the thimble and divide by 100. The measurements conducted by micrometers can be affected by heat, producing faulty results. Especially if the frame is heated by body temperature, a margin of error should be taken into account. When holding the micrometer, hold the anvil section or clamp section when measuring.